Hi everybody. In this video, we attempt to answer a common question about rate of flow of water in mathematics. So let's take a look at this question. We have a small tap that takes 120 minutes to fill a tank, while a large tap takes 80 minutes to fill the same tank. Find the time taken to fill the tank when the small and large tap are both turned on at the same time. So first, let me write down a couple of equations. So the first one would be rate of flow of water. Okay, so this one is actually the rate of flow of water in the tap. So it measures how fast the water is flowing through in the tap. So we can write this as volume of water, okay, divided by the time taken. And this equation here is actually similar to the equation for speed, where speed equals to distance traveled over time. Okay, so let's see how we can use this rate of flow of water equation to answer this question. So first, let me define some variables. So let the volume, okay, of the tank be V, and the rate of the flow of water in the small tap, let it be R small s. And similarly, for the rate of flow of water for the large tap, let it be RL. So using the equation for rate of flow of water, we can write the rate of flow of water for the small tap equals to the volume of water in the tank divided by the time taken. Okay, and this is equals to V over 120, because the time taken to fill out the tank using the small tap is 120 minutes. So I replace the time with 120. So similarly, for the large tap, it will be RL equals to V, or the volume of the tank, divided by the time taken, which will be 80 minutes. So I just write down 80. Then next, when both the small and large tap are turned on at the same time, let's analyze what happened. So when both the small and the large tap are turned on at the same time, we can write down the combined rate, which is the rate of flow of water in the small tap, RS, plus the rate of flow of water in the large tap, RL, equals to the volume of water in the tank, okay, and divide by the time taken. I'm going to use small t to represent this, okay, and this small t here, right, will be the time taken, okay, when both the small and large tap are turned on at the same time, meaning to say the time taken to fill the tank when both the small and large tap are turned on at the same time. Okay, so now I'm going to replace this RS here, okay, with V over 120. So V over 120 plus, and I'm going to replace the RL here with V over 80. And the equation on the right remains unchanged, V over small t. Okay, next I'm going to do a bit of simplification. So I'm going to factorize V from both the V over 120 and V over 80. So we get V over 120, or rather V bracket 1 over 120 plus 1 over 80. And on the right remains unchanged. Then next we can cancel out this V from both sides of the equation. And then we're going to use the calculator to calculate 1 over 120 plus 1 over 80, and you'll get 1 over 48 equals to 1 over t. So then next we can do cross multiplication, and then you'll get t equals to 48. So which means that the time taken when both the small and large tap are turned on at the same time is 48 minutes. And that's the answer for this question here. So if you find this video helpful, do consider liking and sharing this video. And drop me a comment to let me know what other type of content you'd like to see in this channel. And also do consider subscribing to this channel. See you in the next video.